If you using the old version Windows 11 install this antivirus update, Microsoft Defender antivirus update cannot work. This update name KB2267602. This version cannot update your PC. Then we need to fix this problem. First you go to your Windows 11. First go to this link, open automatically and choose your Microsoft Windows 11 multiple, then click OK. After few seconds wait, then check choose your language, then confirm. Now show my download option. Please click here and download this version, Windows 11 English version. So complete your download, then come to your folder. Okay, this is my download file. Double click here and get the setup icon. Please click this one and OK. After a few seconds wait, this Windows logo is pop up. Then choose no, I can not choose. Next, check the update your PC. After a few seconds wait, this is the automatically install, getting few moment. You wait. After some time, this update automatically your PC again install Windows 11 and complete your all problem is fixed. Checking your PC everything okay, that's why this checking issue. Then you can accept everything, license or terms and condition, then click next and checking the ready to install. Install update check. Then you can complete your all tasks, then your install complete. I already installed this version, that's why I close this one. You complete your all tasks, then you pop up this, click check bar and pop up this one is complete your download this antivirus. So today that's video. If you helpful this video, please like, comment and share your friend fix this problem. Okay, thank you.